everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ya.no online banking account. Ya.no is a Norwegian bank offering basic banking and financial service to its customers. To log in and access your ya.no online banking account, watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your ya.no online banking account, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in ya.no login and press enter. From the search results, click on this first link. This will now take you to the official web page of ya.no, which looks like this. Select one of the options you'd like to log into your net banking account with and then enter the credentials as it asks to you throughout the process. Enter your user ID in the text box and then click on the arrow right next to the box. Follow through the on-screen prompts. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password, type in the information correct, and you'll be able to log into your ya.no online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.